Lens Heating and Cooling has been providing top-quality HVAC contracting services in the greater Des Moines area since 2009. They offer 24-hour maintenance and repair services so that your home is always taken care of. Lens Heating and Cooling is veteran-owned, and they aim to take care of their customers with no trip charges, no diagnostic fees, and no overtime fees. Their professional air conditioning and furnace installation is second to none, and they offer a multitude of other services like water installation, thermostat installation, AC or furnace repair, and much more. If you're looking for a reliable HVAC contractor, give Lens Heating and Cooling a call at 515-225-6446 for more information.